Alright, so the despicable this bar had this video. So again, he does something just plain too stupid. Alright, so he does figure out it has to be the same piece of lever. I don't know whether he has the distances right or not, but it doesn't matter. Anyway, so he's using round washers, okay, and the problem, I'll put on this dowel, and the problem is he has clips to hold them. So, and what he didn't figure out was if you're going to have 4 clips here, like you're going to have 2 washers here, 1, 2, 1, 2, you're going to have 1 washer out here, and 1 washer, and a clip, and a clip, and a clip, and a clip. The mistake is that there's 4 clips, that's what you've added to the stick, and you've only added 4 here. So you don't have twice the weight there. So he couldn't figure that out. That by
Right, so the despicable Draftscience, liar and denier, has now claimed that I wasn't using a 1-2 mass ratio in the rotating lever experiment with the drill. So these were the masses that I was using. The 2 mass and a 2 mass at 1 distance from the fulcrum, and then a 1 mass and a 1 mass 2 distances from the fulcrum. Now I hold the masses in place with these clips, 2 clips. Now of course the clips themselves also have a mass of around 6 grams, and he thinks that I was stupid enough to not take this into consideration. And of course I did. What he didn't know was that these discs weigh less than these discs. Alright? All of these individual discs do not exactly have the same mass. Well, these 4 do. They weigh around 57 grams, but these weigh less. Alright, so let me show you with the scale. Here is the 2 mass over here. So this one is 58, 115, and then plus 2 clips. Whoop. So this is 1-2 mass, and this is 128.90. Let's put that in the calculator. 128.90, and then we're going to take 1 mass. So this one, C51 instead of 58 grams, plus 2 clips, which is 64.25 divided by 64.25. That equals 2.006, which is almost, yeah, well, quite a perfect 2 mass, perfectly half as heavy, perfect 1-2 mass ratio. Then on the other side, this 2 mass, alright, again 128.10, 128.10. Then there's 1 mass over here, plus the clips, 62.40 divided by 62.40. That equals 2.05. So yeah, 62.40 times 2 is 124.80. So this one is not exactly a 1-2 mass ratio, because this one is 128 and the other is 62.40, which is 124.80, almost 125 grams. We're about 3 grams short to be perfect 1-2 mass ratio. So I could add a little weight, for example this over here. I could add this one, right, which is only 2.30 grams. So it is a 1 mass again, plus the clips, and then it would be perfectly a 1-2 mass ratio. But do you think this would make such a gigantic difference? Would it make such a gigantic difference by adding this little thing? Should I do it? I guess I have to do it.